Histograms are the second type of graph that we are going to look at in this unit. A histogram organizes data into ranges like a bar graph. If we look at the data that we used in the last chart to make a dot plot, we could look at it again of how long it takes people to eat breakfast. If we look at a frequency table includes an interval, a tally to keep track of how many people, and then the frequency or the people. And the interval would be in minutes. So I'm going to do an interval of 2, so I'm going to go 1 and then to 3. And then I'm going to start at 4. The intervals all have to be the same. So then I'm going to go 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12. Then I'm going to tally it. So between 1 and 3 minutes, I had 8 people plus 3 people plus 5 people, which is 16 people. Between 4, 5, and 6, I had 2 plus 5 plus 0, which is 7. From 7 to 9 minutes, I had 0 plus 2 plus 3, which is 5. And then I had 7 plus 4 plus 1, which is 12. And when I make this histogram, I'm going to draw it like I would draw a bar graph. But instead of just putting numbers on the bottom, I'm going to put those intervals. So 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and 10 to 12. And my y-axis is going to have the frequency. So I know that I need to at least have 16. I'm going to count by 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 1 to 3 has the 16 people. 4 to 6 had 7, which is going to be between 6 and 8. 5, which is between 4 and 6. And 12, which is between 10 and 12, so that's right here. And that is our histogram. I'm going to try one more. These are heart rate beats per minute. And if I look at my data, I am going to use an interval of 9. I'm going to start with 54. So I have 54 to 63, 64 to 73, 74 to 83, 84 to 93, 94 to 103, and 104 to 113. Now I'm going to tally them. So if I'm going from 54 to 63, I'm going to end up with 2. 64 to 73. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. End up with 9. Then I'm going to look at 74 to 83, and I end up with 2. 84 to 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. (94 to 103 is just going to be 1. And then lastly, 104 to 113, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my frequency is 2, 9, 2, 14, 1, and 4. If I draw that graph, once again I'm going to put the intervals, so 54 to 63, 64 to 73, 74 to 83, 84 to 93, 94 to 103, and 104 to 113. And I'm going to go by 2's again, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. First one is 2. Then I have 9, which is going to be between 8 and 10. 2, 14. The biggest mistake that I see on these is that the intervals aren't the same. 1, and lastly 4. And that is my histogram.